Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is your guy Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, this right here is an iPhone tutorial. Man people, I had to do this one, no doubt about it. Man, for those who don't know, I'm a well-known barber in Chicago and I take a lot of pictures with my phone, no doubt about it. But most of my clients like to take pictures of their own haircuts. But they always ask me to take the pictures with my iPhone. And I'm talking about the clients of mine, most of them, that own iPhones. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about even iPhones that's supposed to be better than mine. The 10S's, the 10S Maxes and everything. They still want me to take the picture with my phone because they feel that my phone takes better pictures. Even clients with the same damn phone as mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking a 10R right now. Man, oh man, oh man. So one day, I just said to one of the clients, yo bro, give me your phone. Let me see what's up. I went into the settings, checked the camera out and everything, and found the problem. So man, I put that boy's camera on beast mode and it solved every damn thing. So enough of me yapping, I'm finna show you how I made it happen. Let's go. Well, all right everybody, here we go. Now I'm about to lock my phone and everything. Now I went straight to the settings menu. Pressed on that and scrolled all the way down to where it says camera right there. Yes indeed. Most iPhones come preset at 1080p at 30 frames per second. So I said, I always change mine to this. Here we go. I always change it to 4K at 60 frames per second. High efficiency. You can even set yours at 4K 24 frames per second if you want to go ahead and get the dramatic effect, because it'll still look good. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to set mine to right now and everything. Soon as you change your settings from 1080p to 4K, it's going to make a drastic difference. I'm talking about a night and day difference from your footage of the videos that you shoot and even your damn pictures. Man, that was it. That's all I did. So people, if you got iPhones and everything and you run into somebody else and they pictures on smack mode and you want yours to look that way, that's all you gotta do. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, all right everybody, since y'all love y'all so much and y'all rock with me like that, I gotta throw in a bonus tip. Yes sir, yes sir. And this one is some straight fire, no doubt about it. Now since we on camera issues and everything and tweaking the camera, man, I know we've been here for years and years and years that the Apple iPhone camera is just a point and shoot camera and you really can't mess with the exposure or anything like that before you take a picture. Well, your boy Tanna found out that was a damn lie. Let me show you how. Check this out. Open up your camera, tap the middle of the screen. Now you see that sun icon on the side right there? That's how you tweak your exposure, and that can dramatically change the way your photo look that you're about to take. Man, oh man, oh man, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now if you slide up, you see how bright it's getting and everything, people? This ain't no damn Photoshop or nothing. And you go down, it gets darker. So yes, you can definitely control the exposure and anything that you want in your damn photo. Yes sir, yes sir. It might not have the the black and white balance and all that other stuff, but that exposure is very, very damn important and pretty cool. So basically you can move that square around to any point of the picture that you're about to take or video and make that happen. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, all right everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes sir, yes sir. Man, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right everybody, give money, give respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Yes sir, yes sir.